For multiple choice number 28, pinapakompute sa atin magkano daw yung deductible amount. The situation is, yung corporation is paying for annual rental of a residential house, pinapagamit sa manager. So, ang starting point natin ay yung rental payment na 637,500. Tapos, ang assumption po is kalahati lang yan yung fringe benefit talaga. Yung kalahati is for the convenience of the employer. Okay? Or for to promote yung goodwill, etc. ng employee. So, kalahati lang, 50%. Yun yung kanyang monetary value. Tapos, ituloy na natin na i-divide sa 65% to get the grossed up monetary value. And then, ituloy na rin natin ang i-multiply sa 35% to get the fringe benefit tax expense na 171,635. So, deductible po yan. So, idadagdag mo pa dyan yung actual rental payment na 637,500. Kaya, ang total deductible expense sa number 28 ay 809,135.